As we see, we formed a concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Thanks for watching. Eh? By eating. By eating. Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed Year. I am in Noor International Language School. I am in year 8. Today, we will have experiments about how to make a solution. First, we have sodium chloride concentrated with 98%, and we have a beaker with 50 milliliters of 100 milliliters of water, in addition to a cylinder with some water to fill it again, and also we have a filter paper to add the sodium chloride on it. First, we will start to get 1 spatula of sodium chloride. We will keep stirring until it dissolves. While adding more spatulas, time taken for the solution to dissolve takes more time. As we see right now, it dissolved and formed a colorless solution. We can repeat it for many times, but right now we can make it on the fire because one of the things that affect the solution and the time is the fire. Now we will add a spatula. And we open the fire. And we will wait until it dissolves. As we see, we formed a concentrated solution of sodium chloride by heating. Thank you guys for watching. Waiting for new experiment with Noor International School. Bye.